So hello guys, welcome back to Captain Peroxide, and today I'll be going to Potsdam. Yeah, it's the capital city of the state of Brandenburg, and yeah, it's quite near to Berlin. Actually, I can go with the U-Bahn also. Sorry, with the S-Bahn. So I'll be going there today. It's a completely new city, so it'll take some time. And yeah, it did snow a bit for the last 2 to 3 days, and all of you could, for the like matter of fact, see some snow while I'm vlogging. So yeah, but not much. Yeah, for the last 2 3 days it also started melting a bit, but yeah. um so yeah, onwards and on with the montages. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, egal, yeah. So guys, this is me and this is my friend Paul.
Hey,
And
yes.
yeah, and he comes from Ecuador. Yeah,
Yeah.
and he's a nice guy, to be honest. And today we both of us are going to Potsdam, and presently we are there in 1C. You can see around us. So yup, and we'll be taking now which S1?
Yeah.
S1.
Yes.
S1, yeah. So S1, and then we'll be going direct to Potsdam and meet you all there. Yep, bye bye. So guys, we are finally there in Potsdam, and the situation is quite nice with a bit of fog, lot of fog rather, and we are going to Museum Barberini now. Okay, you can already see some bit of snow on my eyebrows and everything, so sorry for that. We'll now be going inside Museum Barberini, and then we'll see which other places to go to. But yeah, first here. Yep, so onwards to the montage. So guys, the Museum Barberini was like all booked out for this time, so we are going later on in the afternoon. But until then, we'll be going inside this. We'll be wandering around in this area and making good videos. Yeah, so be watchful. Yeah, and yeah, so we are around this church now, and Paul is busy taking videos. Yeah, and yeah, so we'll go in and we'll make nice videos for you all people to see, and then we'll be going to the museums and the palaces. So yeah, bye bye for now. Guys, we are now going inside the Nikolaikirche in Potsdam, and yeah, we'll be making videos again. zu den Viewers. Wie viel fühlst du dich hier?
Aber in Deutsch, aber in Englisch in diesem Moment.
Egal, egal. So how do you feel here?
Okay,
Ja.
ich fühle mich sehr gut, weil
Ja.
in diesem Moment ist mein erstes Mal, dass ich bin hier. Deswegen es ist eine außergewöhnliche Ort für mich. Und ja,
Ja, so findest du das also geschichteweise sehr angenehm oder von einer Ästhetikblick?
ja, ich finde angenehm, weil es ist ein sehr historischer Ort.
Ja,
Außerdem, es gibt, weiß nicht, vielleicht verschiedene Kulturen hier
Ah.
in diesem Place ausgibt.
aha,
Zum
okay.
Beispiel Holland oder Russisch ein bisschen.
Aha, aha. Ja.
Spain auch ein bisschen.
Ja, du hast schon einen spanischen Ausführer
ich habe
gesehen,
das
ja.
gehört.
Ja, schon. Und fühlst du das, also, wusstest du, dass diese nicht es sind?
Wenn ich sehe
Ja.
Enfer,
Ja.
ich dachte, das war eine Kugel.
Aha,
aber
aha,
in
ja.
diesem Moment, das ist nicht.
Nicht so, ja. Ja, ist komisch, aber ja. So guys, now I am there in at a region called Hollandisches Viertel, where all the books, sorry, not all the books, all the buildings look like the ones which were there in Netherlands or Holland. So they are at the back of me, and you can see. And this is a church, nice church, and here's a Ferris wheel, yeah. So you can say again yet a nice setting. And with the Hollandisches Viertel or the Netherlandian buildings behind me, it also looks nice. Yeah, it looks a bit different, but that is what it is. Yeah, because it's in Potsdam, not in Berlin. So you get a lot of different things here. Okay, so now guys, we are in the garden from the Palace of Sankuzi, and it is quite nice here with how should I say, gardens from the palace, and already filled with snow now, so it looks even better. But it's way too cold now, so also a bit of a disadvantage, I should say. And here we are going towards the Bilder Gallery from Sankuzi first, and then we'll be going to the Sankuzi Palace and also the Neue Palace. So yeah, onwards again with the montages. are now out of the Schloss Sanssouci, and I should say it belonged to the German king Frederick II, but actually he never really had any interest in German literature as such. But yeah, so now we are going again to Museum Barberoni, and then we'll see what we can do. Yeah. Do we have any other plans today?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Yeah. So guys, we are finally going back to house. Yeah. Yeah, and we had a pretty good time here in also in Museum Barberoni, because we could see, you know, like real paintings from Claude Monet, from other Russian painters also in case, because they have a special exhibition here till 9th December, till 9th January. Of this exhibition of this Impressionismus or Impressionist collection of paintings, and also a part of Cubism and Futurism. So yeah, that was it about Potsdam. I find this city way good, and preserves the, you know, aristocracy of Middle Ages Europe. And okay, let's ask Paul also. Was denkst du davon? Darüber?
Alles war sehr schön, das war außergewöhnlich,
Aha.
diese Erfahrung.
Aha.
Ich habe keine Worte für diese Erfahrung, das
Aha.
heute habe gelebt.
Aha.
So, es war schön für heute.
Aha, aha. Und was findest du besonders für diese Stadt?
Ich denke alles.
Alles?
Aber, ja, die
Okay.
Gebäude sind sehr schön.
Aha.
Diese Exhibition, diese Ausstellung war
Aha.
ja, außergewöhnlich.
Mhm.
Eine Mail, es gefällt mir so sehr.
Aha.
Deswegen ist alles für mich außergewöhnlich, fantastisch,
Aha, aha.
sehr
Okay.
schön.
Okay. Also, yeah, so then we pack up for today and meet you then again in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. অনেক ব্যাস এবার মাকে পাঠাস
সাউন্ড অফ করে পাঠাবো।